In this BigCRM's Ticket Manager video guide, I will introduce the ticket details, and I will briefly explain how to reply to a ticket. When a buyer's message is received, a ticket will be automatically created. In the Ticket Manager section, you can check which marketplace the email comes from, the email status and type, and the time left to reply. If an unresolved ticket is not replied within 24 hours, the system will assign an overdue tag to the ticket. If you click Display, you can customize what information should be shown in the Ticket Manager, the order of columns, and the number of tickets displayed per page. If you click on a ticket, you will access the ticket details. Here, you can check all the information that is automatically downloaded by the system, such as order details, customer details, and order history. Order history shows all the buyer's order information for the past year, including whether the order is promotional, whether there is a refund, and whether the buyer has left feedback. Campaign history shows a list of emails sent to this buyer in the past 365 days. You can also observe the pending emails that are scheduled to be sent to your customer. You can manually assign a ticket to an agent, to a view, and change the ticket type. After checking the order information and reading the buyer's message, you can quickly reply to the buyer in the Customer Reply section. You can reply with one of your saved templates or reply with your own message. You can also add an internal note to let your agents who are assigned to the ticket have all the necessary information. This message will only be seen internally and it will not be shared with the buyer. Additionally, you can forward the ticket info to an email address. Just click on External Message, type the recipient email address and the email content, and the system will automatically integrate the buyer's order information in the email. It is also possible to momentarily store a ticket and set a reminder for the system to move the ticket back to the open section in the future. You can set the reminder at the bottom right corner, where you can choose when the reminder will be triggered. If the last message received from the buyer doesn't need a reply, you can choose No Response Needed and the ticket will be closed. This concludes the video about the BigCRM's ticket details. If you require assistance setting up your account, please contact BQool support on our live chat or write an email to support@bqool.com for further assistance.